The slime is so boring. Mommy!
What's the matter?
The slime is really boring.
You can play with your doll.
No, but she's just sitting there all day long.
What do you want to do?
I would love to have some slime that I can make. And it will be colorful.
Okay. I have something for you.
Really?
Yes. Your favorite one. Surprise! Close your eyes.
Wow! Thank you, Mummy, so much. Look, it says make my own slime. And it's glow in the dark and stretchy slime. Let's put it to one side. And the next one. Let's just move this because we don't need that now. This is so beautiful. Look, there's different colors. And it's a slime kit. Let's put it over there. Wow, it's a blue color slime. Yay! Let's put it over there now. Whoop, with your best friends. And the last one. If you look really carefully, you can see some glitter. And look, there's little balls for some slime. Look at this. Look, some jewels. Yay! Thank you, Mummy, so much. You are the best.
Shall we make slime now?
Yay! To make my own slime. So let's get started. So first I'm going to add some clear glue. I'm going to add the full bottle. So now I'm going to use sparkles. I have red color, I have green, I have gold, I have blue, and I have white. I have multicolor, and I have silver. I think I'll go with multicolor. Mixy mix. Give a big mixy mix. I think it's nice and blended in. I'm going to add some activator. And now I'm going to close it up, put it to the side, and mix, mix, mix. Whoa, look, do you see it's actually activating, guys? Ooh, activate slime. This is sticky already. I think it might be time to dig in with my hands. Ooh, this feels cool. Slimy. Sticking onto my hands. Get off, Mr. Slime. Ooh. I think it's going pretty good, guys. Whoa. It's really, really sticky. Slime, get off me. Whoa. I'm going to mix a little more. Whoa, that's cool, guys. Slime is ready! It's really stretchy, look! I'm going to play with it for a while. Peekaboo, guys! Ooh. Let's try it again. Ready, steady, whoop. Hello, everyone. Whoa. It's see-through. Let's mix it. Let's make another slime. Same as before, I'm going to add some clear glue. The whole bottle all over again. Squelch. Woo. Woo. Bloop. Bloop. And droppy drops. Come out, come out. So now I'm going to add some of these. I'm going to choose a color from here. I think I'm going to choose this nice purple. Looks pretty friendly. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I think that's enough for purple today. I think that's all, guys. And now I'm going to add some... I think I'm going to add something from here first. Which one looks nice? I think these poles and these stones look nice. Don't they, guys? Ooh. Which stones shall I add? I'll add some nice colorful ones. And I'll add some of these. have some of these as well. I think I'll add some bright colors. I'll add this blue color. Purple color. These two purples at the same time. I think that's enough of those. And I have some more decorations over here. I think I will pick some cherries. Oops, I think it's too sticky for my hands. So now I'm going to mix up. Mixy mix mix. Wow, look at this. It's a purple color. We need it nice and kneaded in. Ooh, beautiful color. And it actually fits with the other glitters. I think that's good. And I'm going to add a bottle of activator. Whoop. Come out, come out. Mixy mix mixy time. Whoa, whoa. This is cool, guys. It's twirling. I think I should mix with my hands now. Whoop. Whoa. This feels cool, guys. Slippery. It's still see-through. Peekaboo. It's not coming off. Ah, there we go. Mixy, mixy, mix. Look how the slime turned out. Wow. It's stretchy. Let's see if I can see you guys with this one too. It's pretty see-through. I can see you guys. Ooh. Splosh, splish, splosh. Oops. I think they want to escape the slime. Let's try that thing again. Mom, look at this. Ooh. Did you see that? Oops. The unicorn wants to get stuck in it now. I think the unicorn wants to play. Okay, unicorn, you can play for a little. It's jumping. Whoop. Now we're going to mix these similar colors together and put some nice colors in them. I'm going to mix these two together. Ooh. These are beautiful colors, guys. Look. Mixy, mix, mix. Wow, look at that color. It looks like ocean blue. That's my favorite color. Whoop. together. Now this is what I call ocean blue. Look inside of it, guys. Now I'm going to mix the other colors. This is like a grassy green color. This is just like the sunrise color. And this looks like the grape color. Now let's decorate these ones. I'm going to start with this one. I'll start with this one. This looks like a nice color to add. Which one looks good? That looks like it might need a little bit of brightness. So I think the yellow will make it bright. So, yep, I'm going to add some yellow. And now I'm going to mix it up. Can you see that? Whoa, it's all the way at the bottom. So I mixed it up and look inside. The beautiful orange stars are inside. Hey! Now I'm going to do purple. Let's put that to one side. Purple color. I'm going to start with this one. There we go, spread it all out. And now I'm going to mixy mix. Mix, mixy mix. They're all trying to go in orange. Whoa, look at this. Wow, it's very shiny. Ooh. Can you see the stars popping out? Now let's look inside. Ready? Let's open up. Hi! I'm hiding on top. And I'm hiding down low. Hello! Hello! Let's see if it's see-through. Hello! Ooh, it looks like there's a light shining on it. Ooh, ooh. Wiggly, wiggly. Let's put it down. So now I'm doing green color. I'm going to add this beautiful color. I think I'll add all of it. Actually, nah. I'm going to add other stuff as well. I think that would be enough. Spready spread. Which one wants to have some fun? I think this one wants to have a little dip. Come out, come out. Wow, really, really beautiful. Let's play. Look at this. Look how it turned out. Let's stretch and see how it goes. Will I see you guys or will I see polka dots? Oh, I see you and the polka dots. Let's see how big it can go. Grow big, grow big. Ooh, it's going along the alley, landing. I got sunrise orange, greeny grass, purple grapes, and my favorite is ocean blue, and Pinkie Pie Pink celebrations, and some rainbow. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you all next time. Bye!